Hello class, welcome to our final day of our story element unit. You made it. You are clearly all now experts when it comes to identifying characters and describing their traits. Today, you're going to show me what you know. You're going to show me everything you learned from all of our lessons this week put together. So our only activity is going to take place in Nearpod. I will take you there in 1 second. Before we go there, let's refresh our memory one more time on what a character is. A character, like we've mentioned all week, is a person, an animal, a creature, or an object that's given a voice in a story. A character also has traits, just like in this poster below. They have outside traits, such as what they look like, and inside traits, like their behaviors and feelings. For today's activity, you're going to go to Nearpod and use the code. Sign in. Once you are signed in, you're going to do the time to climb activity. You're going to choose a character and log in. After the time to climb activity, you have another drawing activity. So instead of a detective this time, you're going to draw your very own character. And I cannot wait to see what you come up with. Make sure you use lots of details to draw your picture. Use words, use pictures to help describe your traits of your character. And make sure you put a lot of effort into it. You've learned a lot about characters this week, and I think you can all handle it. So I'm excited to see what you can do. Thank you for being such good learners this week. And after your Nearpod activity, you're going to ask a parent, or a parent is going to help you, fill out this course evaluation form. So in this form, you're going to either check yes or no to these questions. And then for this one, you're going to choose a 1 where you disagree, or a 3 where you agree, or 2 is somewhere in the middle. You don't disagree or agree. Okay? And then you or your parent can make any comments to this bottom question, and you're going to submit it so that you can help me be a better teacher for next time. Good luck today.